get a good or service. Cash, coins, and bills used to pay for things. Check a piece of paper that uses money from a bank account to pay for things. Credit card, a card that uses money that is borrowed and must be paid back to pay for things. Debit card, a card that uses money from a bank account to pay for things. Demand how much people want or need to buy something. Good, an item that is made or grown in order to be sold. Need something you must have and can't live without. Price, the amount of money a good or service costs. Sale when goods or services cost less than they usually do. Save to keep money instead of spending it. Sell to give something to someone after being paid for it. Service, something a person or business does for someone else. Want something you would like to have but do not need.